Hello, my name is Jesus Cruz. I'm a student of computer engineering. I will now recite a poem from the book of Merlin's Deed, titled Between Trees. If you are who I look for, come in the night of lost reflections. If you are the beloved body, come in between trees, in between songs. Here awaits you a time disposed of fables, a body punished, be life under rod's brambles. If you are Chihuahua comes, leave me a sing in between trees, a white bill. A trace in the dust will soothe in my richness. Come now that awaits is marvelous, forest awaits deed. If you are who I look for, come under the sky's protection. Thank you very much and goodbye.